Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our cash stuffing for November, I think it's 4th. Yeah, November 4th. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my cash. All right, so we have our cash put out and let's get started. We're gonna start with our wallet. We always start with our wallet because it just seems the easiest to start with the wallet. So I am not putting nothing into mine. I'll move these. I'm trying to figure out a good camera position for everything. Oh no, y'all can't see the money. Hang on. I'm gonna put this here. This here. There we go. Now we got everything in viewing. So I'm not putting nothing into my personal allowance. I got $20. It's been in here for months. I don't spend it. So we have gas. I'm gonna pull out these. So vape, we are going to add 40 to it. So there's 20 and 40. And we have 2, 4, 6, $80. That's gonna be it for my wallet. For holiday, we are going to be putting 20 into Diane's, and then hers is done. So we've got 20 and 30. And somehow all of these got pulled out with it. So now this one can go in the back. Nothing is going to go into gifts. Thanksgiving is getting 10. Thanksgiving is getting 10, and then this one here is filled. I only make like a dish or two for Thanksgiving, so this is just to cover that dish I make. Now we can start Christmas. So there's 30. We can start stuffing Christmas. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. And I gotta get $2,500 for Christmas. I probably won't be able to get $2,500 this year because we had to start all over from buying a house. But I'm gonna try and get as close to this as I possibly can. So that's gonna be it for my holiday. I'm gonna do our 1 month ahead. Just gonna go into our subscription. And we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. That's going to be it for our 1 month ahead. And our home. Guys, I'm telling you, I am so procrastinating this. And I'm not trying to. I need to clean this up. Let's see here, 560. Gotta add 11 for deposit. Gonna add 40 to it, and that leaves us with 600. 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 400, 2, 4, 6, 8, 500, 2, 4, 6, 8, 600. Goodness. And I'll have this cleaned up by the time I do my next cash stuffing. And I probably even have this envelope replaced by then. That is crazy. All right, 20 for home maintenance and then 20 for medical. That's where I was messing up in my head. I'm sorry, guys. All right, so 11 for. That puts us at 80. Two, 4, 6, 8. All right, so medical, I'm actually got to pull this 5 out because Tooth Fairy came. And I've got to replace that. So we're going to put 20 in here. So 11 for deposit 20. That leaves us with 20. And this is going to be spent tomorrow. So I got to pick up my medicine. Alright guys, that's going to be it for our cash stuffing. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm sorry these videos are super quick. At the beginning of the year, we're going to have a bunch of new things happening. I'm trying my best to get myself in a good rotation. I was supposed to start my side hustle this week, but my kids got sick. So I was unable to do my side hustle. I might be able to do it this weekend. I am working on trying to make sure I have an income every single week. So when I do that, we're going to have it where it's a 50-50 split on a mortgage every week. So there's going to look like a lot of money going in, but it's just going to be my husband and I going back and forth of how much money goes in from our paychecks. I'm going to be doing saving challenges at the beginning of the year. I've never done saving challenges. I've always done this because it's just, I always have a hard time fulfilling all of my envelopes, which maybe I just have too many envelopes. But we are working, trying to get better things here. I'm going to see how these saving challenges work, and hopefully we can do better. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to the channel, guys. I am trying so hard to make sure I get these videos out in time, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys!